What is a decision tree? A decision tree is a map of the possible outcomes of a series of related choices. It allows an individual or organizations to weigh possible actions against one another based on their costs, probabilities, and benefits. They can be used either to drive informal discussion or to map out an algorithm that predicts the best choice mathematically. A decision tree typically starts with a single node, which branches into possible outcomes. Each of those outcomes leads to additional nodes, which branch off into other possibilities. This gives it a tree-like shape. There are 3 different types of nodes: chance nodes, decision nodes, and end nodes. A chance node, represented by a circle, shows the probabilities of certain results. A decision node, represented by a square, shows a decision to be made. And an end node shows the final outcome of a decision path, represented by a triangle. Here's how to draw a decision tree. Start with the main decision. Draw a small box to represent this point, then draw a line from the box to the right for each possible solution or action. Say for this example, our decision dilemma is choosing between going to work, or going out to do some fishing. There are outcomes to these 2 choices. So let's draw chance nodes and lines representing the possible outcomes of each choice. Let's say for work, one outcome is you get to keep your job. Your confidence level for this outcome is 75%. Another outcome is even though you choose work, you can end up losing it. But your confidence level for this outcome is just 25%. Meanwhile for fishing, say, you're not really good in the sport. So even if you do this, the chances of catching fish is just 64%, with 36% being the odds that you might not catch any. You can continue to expand the lines until you reach an endpoint, meaning that there are no more choices to be made or chance outcomes to consider. Let's say in our case, that is so. Add triangles to signify endpoints. With a complete decision tree, we are now ready to begin analyzing the decision we face. By calculating the expected utility or value of each choice in the tree, you can minimize risk and maximize the likelihood of reaching a desirable outcome. In this case, it looks like we come out a sure winner if we choose the option of going to work. Decision trees remain popular because they are easy to understand. They can be useful with or without hard data, and any data requires minimal preparation. New options can be added to existing trees. And decision trees can be easily combined with other decision-making tools. While you may face many difficult decisions, both at home or at work, in teams or large groups, how to make a decision tree won't be one of them.